How to start drawing for beginners. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps on how to start drawing. So, grab your pencils, paper, and let's get creative. Before we begin, let's go over the basic drawing supplies you'll need. First, you'll need a set of pencils with different lead grades. The range typically includes H, hard, pencils for lighter lines, and B, soft, pencils for darker lines. Next, grab an eraser, a sharpener, and some sketching paper. Once you have these essentials, you're ready to embark on your artistic journey. Step 1. Start with simple shapes. Many beginners find it intimidating to draw complex objects right away. Instead, begin by practicing basic shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and ovals. These simple forms will serve as building blocks for more complex drawings. Step 2. Learn to observe. Observation is the key to realistic drawing. Take a moment to study the object you want to draw. Pay attention to its proportions, angles, and details. Look for lines and shapes that define its form. This careful observation will help you capture the essence of the subject. Step 3. Master the art of contour drawing. Contour drawing involves drawing the outline of an object without lifting your pencil from the paper. It helps you understand the structure and shape of the subject. Start by outlining the major shapes and gradually add details as you progress. Step 4. Practice shading techniques. Shading adds depth and dimension to your drawings. Begin by understanding the light source and the areas of light and shadow. Use different pencil pressures to create varying tones. Gradually build up the shading, paying attention to transitions between light and dark areas. Step 5. Experiment with different textures. Adding textures to your drawings can make them more visually appealing and realistic. Practice creating textures like smooth surfaces, rough textures, fur, and fabric. You can achieve this by varying the pressure, stroke patterns, and blending techniques. Step 6. Explore different drawing techniques. Drawing is a versatile art form, and there are various techniques you can experiment with. Try cross-hatching, stippling, or using different types of strokes like long, short, or curved lines. These techniques can add visual interest and uniqueness to your artwork. Step 7. Seek inspiration and learn from others. One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is to study the works of other artists. Explore art books, visit galleries, and join art communities to discover different styles and techniques. Don't be afraid to learn from others and incorporate their knowledge into your own artwork. Step 8. Embrace practice and patience. Like any skill, drawing requires practice and patience. Be prepared to make mistakes and learn from them. The more you draw, the more you'll improve. Remember, it's a journey, and every stroke you make brings you closer to becoming a better artist. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our beginner's guide to drawing. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and have fun with it. So grab your pencils, start sketching, and let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.